And in Vancouver, more than 100 people held a march and vigil for Kevin Peterson Jr. This is a story that we've been covering for months now. Peterson was killed in October by Clark County deputies during a drug task force operation. This afternoon, demonstrators gathered in the U.S. Bank parking lot where Peterson was killed. They marched through Hazel Dell and gave speeches. An investigation found Peterson agreed to sell an undercover deputy Xanax. He ran when officers tried to arrest him. Peterson reportedly pointed his gun at officers but did not fire it before he was shot and killed. The investigation is ongoing.